Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, M.2 solid-state drive, wireless module, hard disk drive assembly, DC-in module, thermal module, motherboard, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the webcam cable from the connector on the webcam board. Using a flat, non-conductive tool, carefully remove the webcam board from the adhesive and alignment pins that secure it to the display enclosure. Remove the webcam board. Reverse this procedure to install the webcam board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.